This is a heat and temperature change question, so we know that we're going to be using the equation that heat is going to be equal to the mass times the specific heat capacity times delta T. When we have three of these values, we can solve for whatever the fourth one is. In this case, we're asked to solve for the specific heat capacity. So we're going to rearrange the equation, solving for C. We know that C is going to be equal to our heat, Q, divided by our mass and our delta T. In this case, we're given delta T directly. We don't have to determine delta T. We also know the heat and the mass. So we simply have to plug and chug. So this is going to be equal to 205 calories. Our mass is 50.0 grams. And we're also going to divide by the delta T, which is 7.0 degrees C. Mathematically, our calculator answer 0.58571. The units are calories per gram degree C. Now all we have to do is to go back and look at our sig figs. We look at all the numbers that go into our final result. 2 sig figs, 3. This also has 3. So we're limited to 2 sig figs. We're going to be rounding up because the first number to be dropped is 5. So this is 0.59 calories per gram degree C as our final answer.